Today we talk about how can you select uh, who can mention you to your link on your Threads app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, and you just click on it. It's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on privacy, you just click on it. So you come to next here, click here on mentions. So then here you select who can mention you to link your profile, here. Can you select it? That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.